Welcome students, welcome to my live class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about optional math, okay, of grade 10 or SEE. And here I want to share some questions which will be very helpful for the study of optional math grade 10. Okay, and here I want to share the first question where the students feel difficult to prove. Okay, the question is like this. Look here. Prove prove that and that is given in the question cosec2θ cosec2θ plus cot4θ is given like this. Cosec2θ plus cot4θ is given there, right? And in the right hand side that is given to prove cot θ, right here given cot θ minus cosec4θ minus, right here, cosec4θ. Okay, it has given here to prove by solving this left hand side question. We have to prove this right hand side. Okay, now let's see here how to solve this type of question. First of all, write here left hand side. Okay, write a left hand side equals to, first of all, write this question. Question is given there cosec, okay, 2 theta cosec 2 theta plus cot 4 theta cot 4 theta. Okay, and here is given, okay, this is 4 theta. Okay, and now look here, students, in this question how to solve. Look here. First of all, let's convert this cosec 2 theta into this reciprocal relation, that is 1 by sine 2 theta. Okay, right here is 1 by sine 2 theta right here. Okay, and then there is plus sign at plus sign here, and we know cot means here we write here quotient relation, that is cos 4 theta. Okay, and down denominator there will be sine Okay, 4 theta. And we use this formula here. Then now equals to what we do, look here. This first one term, right, same to same. Okay, 1 by sine, okay, 2 theta, right, like this, and plus, and here's given cos 4 theta, right, and this cos 4 theta also we can convert like this, look here, cos, okay, 2 into 2 theta divided by, and sine 4 theta means we can write it like this, so now sine, right, 2 into 2 theta here. Okay, now look here, Celine. Here will be there now again 1 by sine 2 theta same. Okay, here it's same 1 by sine, okay, 2 theta same, and we know that this upper one we have tried this cos 2 theta, this multiple formula in cos form. Okay, right, let's get 2 cos square, okay, theta means here 2 theta, okay, right, here 2 theta, here 2 theta, 2 cos square, this theta means here 2 theta, okay, there, that's why cos square theta minus 1. Okay, we are opening the formula of this one. Okay, here's I am writing here formula. Cos 2 theta means we have formula there. Cos 2 theta means we have tried here 2 cos, okay, square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta, right? Like this we have tried here. And now it's upon, whole upon here we have tried now. Sine 2 theta formula we know 2 sine theta. Theta is here 2 theta, okay, there. Sine 2 theta into cos theta. Cos theta means also there now. Cos, okay, 2 theta will be there. Like this we write. And after this, okay, now we take here LCM. Okay, when you take LCM, what happens? Look here. If we take LCM here now, see, this will be 2 sine 2 theta, okay, into cos 2 theta here. Okay, this is the LCM. Look, sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta, that's sine, this one sine 2 theta, then 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta. And now what is not here given? Right here 1 into this will be multiplied with, look here, what is extra in this denominator? This 2 cos 2 theta, right? It will multiply with 2 cos, okay, 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta, and plus it has all its denominator as the LCM, right? That's why this upper one part numerator will remain same. This will be here 2 cos, okay, this is same 2 cos square, okay, 2 theta minus 1, it is remaining same, okay, because its denominator all are same as the LCM here, okay. Now let's move to the next step. Next step is that now look here, what we need to do here, okay, in this, look here, in this two term, what is common, look here, there is 2 cos 2 theta common, right here, 2 cos 2 cos 2 theta as a common right here. Okay, then here is remaining 1. Okay, here is remaining 1, and here is remaining cos, okay, 2 theta, because 1 cos theta has gone common already here, and then 1 plus cos 2 theta, and this outside there is minus 1. Okay, then write this denominator as same. This is 2 sine, okay, right here 2 sine 2 theta right here, 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta right here, like this. Okay, this into, and after this, look here, students. Now we know that, wait, this is, look here, how to cancel this one. We know this side 2 cos 2 theta, right, the same 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, and we know already that we can cancel this one by opening the formula of this cos 2 theta in terms of, we have to open the formula of this. Look here, we have to open this formula now, like this here, in terms of cos, so that this one will be cancelled. We know cos 2 theta means 2 cos, okay, here we know 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? So that minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled, okay? And here is outside 1, okay, here minus 1, and this is remaining, this denominator same. It will be here 2 sine, okay, theta, 2 theta there is, okay, 2 sine 2 theta is into, there is into, okay, there is cos 2 theta right there, same, okay, like this. And we know this 1 and this minus 1 is cancelled. Because of that only we open this formula. And what is remaining now? Here is remaining like this, look here, 2, wait, cos 2 theta into, there is also 2 cos square, okay, theta, and here is minus 1. That's why we have to write minus 1 here. And then we have to separate this what? Denominator for both. For here also, for there also. Here also we can write 2 sine, okay, 2 theta into cos 2 theta right here, and here also down we can write denominator, okay, and then it will come there, this also same here, this, look, this we can write it down also. What is this? This down will be 2 sine, okay, 2 theta, we know this is 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta, this is cos 2 theta, right, like this we write here. Okay, then we separate it, okay, because this is the single denominator, that's why we separated. If you take LCM, then again it will come answer. Then see here one, okay, students, this 2 and this 2 cancel, right? We cancel this and this, and here cos 2 theta cancel, right? And here is remaining. Here's remaining what? Look here, 2 cos square theta. That's why I write it 2 cos square theta, right? Same, okay? 2 cos square theta, okay? And down there is sine 2 theta. The sine 2 theta means also we can open the formula now. Multiplying this one, 2 sine theta into cos theta, okay? 2 sine theta into cos theta, okay, right here. 2 sine into cos theta. And this cos theta cancel 1. This 2 also cancel. and minus here we know 1 by this was, look at this one. This one was the, that is expanded form, that one of sine 4 theta. This one, no? We had opened this one. This sine 4 theta means it was this, no? That's why we can write as sine 4 theta here, right? Okay. Now look here, I want to solve here. This is the formula that I had written. Then we can write here, look, this is remaining here cos by sine. Cos by sine means what is there? We know cot, okay? Cos by sine means cot theta. That is the quotient relation, right? Of the trigonometric function minus and 1 by sine. This is the reciprocal relation. 1 by sine means we can write there cosec, okay? That is cosec 4 theta, right? Which is our right hand side to bring, and our questions, okay? Solution is proved. Then we have to write the proof. This question is proved here, okay? Like this, we solve this question here, right? Okay, look here once. I want to see your comment here. And here, I want to see here some comment. I want to take. Okay. Okay, I'm taking here some comments. Okay, okay. If you have any problems, you can suggestions. Okay. Look, I want to share with you the next question of trigonometry. Okay, this I want to clear. Okay, this board I want to clear. It's two number, right? If the question is given there to prove like this, okay, question is asking to prove, okay, prove that, okay, and prove that the question has asked like this, okay, mm, there is given tan theta, right? There is given tan theta, right? Okay, and there is next one is 2 tan 2 theta, 2 tan, okay, 2 tan 2 theta, and next one is given there 4 tan, that is given 4 tan, right? 4 theta, and last term that is given there, okay, 8 cot, okay, he has given 8 cot 8 theta, right? And the question has to prove in right hand side that is given cot theta only. This is the answer to bring here cot theta. Okay, in this case, how to solve? Okay, how to prove this? Okay, I want to show you here. Solution, right? And then LHS, and LHS there is equals to, write it, tan, okay, theta, this first term write same, and second term also write same like this, okay, 2 tan 2 theta, okay, write a 2 tan 2 theta here, and next one there is third term, there is given 4 tan, okay, 4 theta, 4 tan 4 theta here, plus, and last final one there is 8 cot 8 theta, that's why I convert into 8 by this cot 8 theta, which we can again now tan 8 theta, okay, down reciprocal relation of cot theta, then it will be a 8 theta, right? Now in this 8 one we can convert this into 2 into 4. Then as we know this, look here, write this other same, okay, other one write same, this one tan, write it, okay, tan 8 theta, this tan theta only, okay, this tan theta plus, and this write 2 tan, okay, 2 theta, here is 2 theta, okay, plus write this 4 tan, okay, 4 theta, write it here, and next one there is 8, okay, this, okay, write this 8 same here, and then we can use this tan 2 into 4 theta, then it will be here. The formula, look, we know its formula is of this, look here, tan 2 theta 1, right? And its formula we know 2 tan theta, this theta will be here 4 theta, okay, 2 tan theta, and by it will be here 1 minus, there will be, okay, 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square theta. Theta will be here in 4 theta form, okay. Now this goes to multiply with this 8, okay, and this will be there. Then we can quote like 2 under 2, 2, 4 we can quote here will be 4, and same thing will apply for every term. Now look here, here is tan, right here, tan theta plus, then write it 2 tan 2 theta will be there, same this is, okay, and we write this third term what is there, 4 tan 4 theta, and here's coming, here's down nothing means here is 1, okay, we are expressing in fraction form, and here is plus, this goes up, and this 4 multiplied with 1, 4 minus, here is remaining 4 tan square theta, but theta in terms of there is 4 theta, okay, here is, right, and its whole upon what will be here, here is tan part, this tan 4 theta, okay, this tan 4 theta will remain here, okay, like this. Okay, this should be kept here in mind. See here now, okay, look, this is a little bit overlap there one, right, then I'm doing this, okay, here plus, for this, now this goes up, then it will be 4, right, right here you can write off this part, okay, here write 4 minus 4 tan square. This will be 4 tan square 4 theta. Okay, this is 4 theta. 4 tan square. Little bit clear write this. Okay, 4 theta. And pi here is remaining. Tan 4 theta is remaining there. Here is remaining tan 4 theta. Okay, like this. Is there hidden or not? Let's see. Okay, little bit clear. Okay, now see there. Now if we take the LCM of these two, write this other same, other term write same. Okay, just take the LCM of last two terms only, and it will be here 2 tan theta. It will be 2 tan 2 theta. Okay, now let's take LCM of this last two terms only. This tan 4 theta will be the same. This will be tan 4 theta. Okay, here write tan 4 theta. Now this tan 4 theta will multiply with this one because this denominator 1. Then here will be 4 by the tan square 4 theta will be here. Okay, and here remaining plus 4 same this is because this denominator is the tan 4 theta, that's why minus 4 tan square. Okay, it's a tan square 4 theta. This is tan square 4 theta, right? Tan square 4 theta. This is 4 theta. Okay, now we know, look here, now this is positive and this is negative, we can cancel them, and here is remaining 4 only. Now same thing will be applied for this other remaining term also. What we did this in last two terms, that same thing will be repeated. Okay, and right here 2 tan 2 theta, right here 2 tan 2 theta plus, and here we what, look at children, here is remaining 4 only, and we know we can open this formula of tan into 2 into 2, you can make this 4, you can make it 2 into 2, that's why now upon its formula is 2 tan, okay, theta will be there now 2 theta. Okay, and down will be there same 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, right, tan square theta means there 2 theta here. Okay, now we can cancel this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, we can cancel. Same thing we apply that. Okay, here whatever we did in second term and first term, now this goes up with 2 multiply with 2, then here this other terms will remain same. This is tan theta. Okay, it will remain tan theta only, and here will be now 2 tan, okay, 2 theta plus, now this goes up to multiply with this, it will be here 2 minus 2 tan square, okay, 2 theta, and down is there, now here is tan 2 theta. Okay, tan 2 theta is there, right? Again its denominator is 1, right? Same thing apply here also. Here write same, this will be tan theta, right? And let's repeat this previous one. If you take LCM here of this 2, here will be what LCM? LCM will be there tan 2 theta only here. Now this tan 2 theta multiplied with this, it will be 2 tan square. It will be here 2 tan square 2 theta, right? And plus this numerator will be same because the denominator is the LCM here. That's why 2 minus 2 right here, 2 tan square. Here 2 tan square 2 theta, right? And now this is minus, and this is plus cancel. Now here's remaining the same again here, right here tan, okay, theta right here, and here will be, what is remaining here? 2 only. Then write it 2 and again open the formula of this tan to theta. Tan to theta means we have the formula 2 tan theta, okay, it will be same by 1 minus tan square theta, okay, it will be same like this, tan square theta, right? Write the same. And after this now, we know this and this chord here is 1 and this 2 and the 2 chord, okay, and this goes up. Again, what will happen here? Look, here will remain like this one, okay, tan theta, okay, plus there is remaining 1, this multiply with this, it will be here 1 minus, what will be here, tan square theta will be up in numerator, this is tan square theta, and by here is what, here is down, there is tan theta, right? Now here we take LCM. Look, I want to draw here one line and separate this piece. This remaining part I want to do here, and see, look here, if you take LCM here now, because what will come this side? Here LCM is tan theta, right here tan theta, right? Right here tan theta. Now this tan theta will multiply this tan theta because its denominator is 1 here. Then right this side is tan square theta and plus here is 1, right, the same 1 minus tan square theta, right? Okay, then it will be, okay, this tan square theta, this tan square theta will be cancelled, and here's remaining now 1 by tan theta, and we know this is the reciprocal relation of, okay, that's why its answer is here cot theta, okay, which is our right hand side to bring, okay, prove. Then it is proved here. Now RHS, then write it proved. Like this we solve this type of question. We have to remove the formula from, okay, right to and go to left, okay. This is the way to solve this type of question. It is proved here. I hope you understood it. Yes. Yes, you are all welcome. Okay, you can say a difficulty question while solving. Okay, if you got any difficult question, okay, please share in comment box. Comment box. If you share, then I will help in that question. If you have any difficulty here, okay, please solve. Share also, okay. Share your difficulties. If you have got any difficulty from any topic, you can share. Okay, like this question, if no, it is to prove here, we have to solve like this. From right to left, we have to go. Okay, and now look here. I want to share the next type of question, you know, which comes in the examination frequently. Most important, from the coordinate geometry. Okay, that I want to say here. From the coordinate geometry, okay? Okay, okay. Find the equation of the pair of lines represented by the equation like this question. Okay, I want to say here in question number 3. Okay, I want to clear this and 3 number. How to find out the separate equation? Okay, of this type of question. If there is given equation like this, if equation is given like this, x square, right, minus 2xy, 2xy is given, and next is the cosec. Okay, if it is given here cosec alpha is given there, and last term there is given plus y square. Okay, last term is given there is y square. In such condition, how to find out its separate equation? Okay, this given one single equation, right? And how to find out its separate equation? Look here, I want to show you here. Right, solution, and then and for its separate equation, we have tried this first of all, same. Okay, I write 2xy same. Okay, and write this one is cosec alpha. Okay, plus, and here's coefficient 1. That's why in place of 1 we have to use now here. We know that 1 means cosec square. Okay, cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha. In that one we have tried this. Okay, because it means 1. Okay, and there is y square. That in front of y there is 1. That's in that one we open this. Okay, and we wrote that formula, Pythagoras relation of trigonometric function. Okay, and at the same here, x square minus 2xy, right? Write it 2xy, and right here cosec. Okay, cosec alpha, and now open this bracket. This y square will come here, right? And right here also y square, and it is cosec square. Okay, cosec square alpha, and we can open this one also with y square multiply with this also. That's why here will be y square cot square alpha. Okay, right here cot square alpha here, and then now look here, children. This first three are in formula. Which formula do you know? They are in the formula of A means x, B means there, y cosec, okay, right here, y cosec alpha whole square, okay. They are in the formula of A minus B whole square. And last one also, this also we can express in square, that is y, what is this? Cot alpha whole square, okay. Now it has come in the form of A square minus B square. That's why now right here, A plus B, A minus B. What is A here? A means x, and it is y cosec right? Alpha, it is A plus, and then at B means what is this? Y cosec, this now Y cot, okay? This is cot alpha, this is B, A plus B. Then we can write then now next A minus B, right? Then write next one. This is same. A means what there? X, okay? Minus Y cosec, okay? Cosec alpha, and here will be minus Y cot alpha, okay? That is B. Y cot, this is okay? Alpha. This is the second factor, okay? Like this we found here. Okay, look here. This will be here minus, okay, Y cot alpha, okay, right here, Y cot alpha, okay. It is hiding there. That's why I'm writing a little bit small there, okay. Y cot alpha, that is. And that's why now these two are the separate equation here, okay. One equation is there, one factor we can do x minus y, right? This is cosec, okay, alpha plus y cot alpha. This is one equation, right? The first factor one equation, and second factor is there, okay. This we are taking this one first one, okay. This equals to this equals to 0. We can take one equation. Here also we have tried a 0. We didn't write here 0, okay. This is equation, that's why here right side there is 0. There is also 0, right? And here this we have tried here no equals to, now we have tried or, okay. No double equals to there, right here, or, okay, this or. Now here we have taken this either, okay. Two factor, that's why either this we can write either this one equation, or we can write next equation is there x minus y cosec, okay, y cosec alpha plus y cot alpha equals to 0. This is the next equation. We find the separate equation from, okay, this one single equation, mm, like this, okay, by this way. This is the way to find the separate equation. Okay, I hope you understood. And now I want to share the next question here. From the coordinate geometry, yes, question is like this, look here. Equation, finding equation, okay. Here is, I want to roll this, and it's 4 number right here. Find the equation of single line. Finding question like this. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line. Okay, that line is straight line. Okay, find the equation of straight line. Question is like this here. Find the equation of straight line. Okay, perpendicular to, here is given the word, main word here is perpendicular to perpendicular perpendicular to, there is given one equation, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation, and passing through the line, and passing passing through the line. Okay, this is given, passing through the point. Okay, not the line here, passing through the point, passing through the point, passing through the point. Point is given there, 2 comma 1, right? Like this question also. Okay, this is from the coordinates and materials. And see here, in this there are two things, okay, two important things there. First one, there is given one straight line. Okay, equation is given there, 2x minus 3y, right? 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. This is one equation given there, right? Okay, and next one, from this we can find out slope, right? What is the slope? That is slope, we know slope, that is m1. Okay, first slope, that's the right here, m1 equals to, we know, minus x coefficient by y coefficient, minus x coefficient, this minus x coefficient by y coefficient, we know its formula of slope. Okay, right, like this, coefficient IENT. Okay, and according to this, what happened now here, minus, and 2 is the x coefficient, and minus 3 is the y coefficient. Then its slope became here 2 by 3. Okay, and question tells that we are going to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular. Okay, here is perpendicular. Sometime maybe ask parallel also. If perpendicular, then we have right here, we have m1 into m2, m1 into m2 equals, what is there, minus 1. Okay, the product of the slope will be minus 1, that's why here m1 is just, we found here, 2 by 3, right? And m2 is not given, then what will be here, minus 1. Then when it will be changing side, then it will be m2 equals to, this 3 goes here to multiply, then minus 3 by 2 will be the slope, the second slope. If you know the slope and one point is there given this, right? Then we can write equation of line, right? Right here, equation of line equals to, right here, equation of line, right? That is straight line, some line passing through, there is given, it is given passing through, the point is given there 2 comma 1, right? Passing through 2 comma 1, and that's why this x1 y1, and we have the formula there, y minus y1, right? And here is given slope, okay? Slope is m2, then here will be x minus x1, okay? X minus x1, there will be x minus x1, and so that, look here, I was just writing the equation that's y minus y1, okay, equals to, there was m2 into x minus x1, okay, and we had one point, that's why right here y minus y1, y1 was the point 1 because 2 1 was the coordinate, and we got the slope here m2, that slope was, okay, minus 3 by 2, there was minus 3 by 2 slope, and the x minus x1, x1 means the coordinate was that passing through, it was 2 1, that's which is 2, okay. Then what would here, when you bring this to here, it will be multiplied 2y minus 2 equals to, it will be minus 3x, okay, minus minus plus will be here, and 3 to the 6, okay. Now let's bring all the term one side here, 3x, it is 3x, okay, plus 2y, here is 2y, and here is remaining 6, okay, plus 2, and if you express, now look here, its equation will be there, the equation of the line is 3x plus 2y equals to 8, okay, this is the required equation, 3x plus 2y equals to 8 is the, okay, this is the required equation of line, is the, right here, required equation of line, this is the required equation of line, this is the required equation of line, okay, this is the answer. Like this also, we have to solve this question, okay. If you have faced any difficulty, you can share with me so that I can solve for your easiness. If you have, you can share in chat box, okay, comment box. Look here, I want to solve one question from this function, okay, which will be very useful. I want to clear this board and see here, I want to write here one question from this function, okay. The question is like this, look here, from the inverse one, okay. Okay, question I want to see here. The question is like this, see, it is function is given, see here, like this, if f x plus 2 is one function, right? Its value is given there 4x plus 5, 4x plus 5. Then asking us to find, okay, fx and right f inverse x in this question. In this question, how to do? Okay, first of all, we have to write like this. Look here, children. Write this given function is there f x plus 2, right? And here is 4x plus 5, right? In such case, what you have to do, we have to this look here. Here is x plus 2, but here is x only, right? Okay, but here is 4x. That's why they must be same. Okay, this they must be same. That's why first of all let them. Okay, let x plus 2 equals, we can suppose any other variables that a. Then what will be the value of x here? Therefore, x equals to, it will be a minus 2, right? Like this. Okay, a minus 2. Now let's substitute here in this given function. F, what is the x value? X value is given that a minus 2. We found a minus 2, then there is a plus 2 also. Then what happens? Look here. In place of this x also comes here now. A minus 2, okay? And then this plus 5, right? Same, okay? Then what happens? Look, 2 to cancel, then it will be here. Therefore, fa equals to, we can find, okay? Here we found here. Now this is 4a minus 4 to the 8, minus 8 plus 5, it will be a minus 3, okay? 4 to the 8, minus 8 plus 5 minus 3, okay? Then we can write here, therefore, in plus a, look, here is also a, here is also a, that's what we can write now. Fx equals to, it is 4x minus 3, okay? Write like this, right? And after this, we are finding its inverse here. That's why, first of all, let this is y. Fx means y equals, what is this? 4x minus 3, okay? Then we have to write interchanging x and y. Interchanging x and y right here. Interchanging, okay, x and y. Then what happens here? There will be x equals to 4y minus 3, okay? Then we are going to find the value of y again from this, okay, interchanged one, x plus 3 equals to 4y. Then what happened here, right? Or therefore we can write this now, y equals to x plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, y equals to x plus 3 divided by 4, which is the y, okay, this y function which we get after interchanging x and y. That's why this y is known as inverse function. Okay, the function which we obtain after interchanging the x and y, this value is known as the inverse function. The inverse function has come here, x plus 3, right, by 4. It is the answer of this question. Okay, like this we find fx and f inverse x from this type of question. Okay, if you have any problem, you can share your difficulty so that I can help you. Okay, you can write in comment box, then I can share your difficult okay one by making it easier so that it will be very, very helpful for your study. You can write your comment in comment box. Right? Any other question? If you have, you can share with me. Okay? You can ask from whole book. Okay? Anywhere. If you have difficulties, share with me in comment box so that I can make to you any solution. Okay? And it will be easy for you study. Okay? Today this much only, and I want to end my class here. Thank you very much. Always keep practicing mathematics. Okay? And share your difficulties with me. Okay, see you. Bye bye.